Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? Good?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we have the cameras on?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta Daksh.
Good morning.
Good morning, Uche. Okay. Tell me which chapter we were doing? Class?
Ma'am, chapter 9.
Chapter 9 or question answers?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Question answer.
Ma'am, chapter 9. Question answer. Just sorry, ma'am.
Roma,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about question answers, bache?
Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
do.
you have to complete the question answer.
Yes, ma'am, we have to complete.
Right. So we'll do the question answers first. Okay.
Question answer.
Tell me which, I think we were doing the contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in the spread of education and the awakening of Muslims, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. So,
Ma'am,
yes, beta.
okay, ma'am, first you start.
No, you tell.
No, ma'am, I have something about this question only. So, ma'am, first you tell me, then I will tell.
No, you can always tell the answer. I always have an open
No,
discussion
ma'am.
with my children. No, huh?
Ma'am, about this answer, ma'am, you said, ma'am, you can find from University at Aligarh. Ma'am,
Yes.
in this, ma'am, there are so many points which we can write in this answer. And there
Huh?
are so many, and ma'am, there are long points. So,
Uh-huh.
ma'am, about that I was asking. So, ma'am, we can find from here only, or ma'am, something, ma'am, short one.
I think
We can
nowhere
do.
else it is given, only where you have establishment of
Yes, ma'am.
universities, no, Baroda and University of Aligarh. I think here only it is
Yes,
given,
ma'am.
right?
No,
What you,
ma'am, it is given to here.
huh?
Yes, ma'am. But ma'am, there are so many points about Sir Syed Ahmad
We need
Khan.
to
So
cut
ma'am,
short.
that's
We need to cut
about.
short. We need to cut short as it is.
Okay, ma'am.
See, we always have
Yes,
this
ma'am.
advantage that we can cut short the points. It is not necessary that whatever is
Yes, ma'am.
written, we have to write that only. Okay,
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
right? So,
Okay, ma'am.
who will tell this answer first? Daksh will tell. Roma will tell this answer. Parth, as
No,
you,
ma'am.
okay, Parth has find some points. No, so let us hear it from
Yes,
Parth
ma'am.
only. But wait, Parth, let me take the attendance first.
Okay, ma'am.
Today many
Okay,
are
ma'am.
there. Let me take it. Today is 5th of December, right? Abhiraj, Aditya Rao, Adnan, Akhilesh Patel, Alek Singh, Anukriti Bedi, Anushka Gupta. Anushka Gupta is there? No. Aryan Gupta is there? No. Aryan Patel? No. Ayush Bhardwaj? Bhavya Dixit? No. Daksh is there? Hiba? No. Ilma? No. Jasmeet? No. Kavya Tripathi? No. Krishna? No. Kumar Parth? Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Kushagra Singh? Kushagra Gautam? No. Maruf, Agaz, Azhan, Shoaib is there. Noor, Om, Priyanshi, Rehan. Rehan, are you there, beta? Rehan, are you there? Rehan, are you there? He took entry. I don't know where has he disappeared. Okay, whatever, let it be. Then Roma,
Present, ma'am.
Sahil, Sharad. Sharad, are you there, beta? Siddhant,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. How are you, beta? Siddhi, Siddhi, are you
Present,
there?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumit Yadav, not there. Tanish Patel, not there. Tanishka, are you there? No, Tanishka is also not there. Usman Ali is not there. Vaibhav Gungwar, Vansh Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Then we have Yash Raj Raghuvanshi. Vanshika is not there.
Present, ma'am.
Hanji. Very good, Yash Raj. Okay, Kushagra, I have marked you present. You came little late, it is fine. ठीक है, रेहान भी आ गए क्लास में. चलिए. Yes, Parth, you start with your answer, बच्चा.
Okay, ma'am. The contribution of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in the spread of education and the awakening of Muslims. First point, the Indian Rebellion of 18. Ma'am. First point, the Indian Rebellion of 1857 felt that it was very important for Muslims to receive modern education and become involved in the uh, public life and the government service of India at that time. Ma'am, instead of writing this, ma'am, public life and government services, ma'am, can we write, ma'am, social life
बेटा हम ऐसे
in
लिख
place
सकते हैं
of
इस आंसर
the
को.
two?
रुको 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 रुको. फर्स्ट पॉइंट हम इसका ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. जस्ट अ मोमेंट. जिसे आपने बोला, आई होप यू ऑल हैव ओपन पेज 58 ऑफ योर बुक एंड राइट हैंड साइड.
Yes, ma'am.
सेकेंड लाइन, यूनिवर्सिटी एट अलीगढ़. इसमें आप ऐसे लिख सकते हो, सर सैयद अहमद खान felt that it was important for Muslims to receive modern education. Full stop. Full stop. One
Okay,
point.
ma'am.
ठीक है.
Hmm. Okay, ma'am.
Then in 1864, the Scientific Society of Aligarh was set up to disseminate Western works into the Muslim community and introduce them to Western education. This can be your second point, right?
Ma'am, please repeat the second point.
In 1864, from 1864 till education, Western education, whole point, all the 4 lines,
Okay, ma'am.
right? Marked?
Yes,
Ma'am, please repeat the first point.
First point is, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan felt that it was important for Muslims to receive modern education.
Okay, ma'am.
In 1875, third point, 1875, he founded the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh. Full stop, third point, over. His objective was to build a college. Got these lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
His
yes,
objective,
ma'am.
his objective was to build a college in tune with the British education system, but without compromising on Islamic value. Without compromising on Islamic values, right?
Ma'am, here, ma'am, Islamic values. Ma'am, what mean Islamic values?
But whatever the teachings are there of Islam, है ना?
Okay.
Then a school for girls was established in 1907, which was transformed into बस 1907 तक लिखो केवल. Then next point. By 1920, the college was transformed into university and it was named Aligarh Muslim University. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then how many points, Parth?
Ma'am, 6.
6 points. Then in 1927, a school for the blind was established. A medical school. अच्छा ऐसे लिखो इसको. In 1927, school for blind was established along with medical school, medical school, and
Yes.
then written. Then by the end of 1930s, the university developed an engineering faculty. Maruf, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
बड़े महीनों में आप आए बेटा हमारी क्लास में, हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगा. कहाँ थे गायब भाई मारूफ?
मैम नानी की गए हुए थे.
एक बार कैमरा तो ऑन कर लो, देखिए तो मारूफ कैसे हो गए हैं मारूफ?
हम अभी कर रहे हैं.
हाँ
बता.
अच्छा चलिए गुड. तो अब आप नानी जी के यहाँ से आ गए मारूफ?
यस मैम.
Okay, so I hope you will be regular now.
यस मैम.
That's really very good. Fine. As you have joined late and after so many days, so this is just to tell you that we are on history chapter 8. We are doing question answers for that chapter and we have already started chapter 9, right? So you need to take a backup from your friends that what all has been done
ओके मैम.
and make sure
Okay.
that you do the work as well in the notebooks, right?
ओके मैम.
Okay, fine. I hope this answer is done, everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, please
Yes,
repeat the
ma'am.
last point.
Last point you have to write that by the end of the 1930s, the university had developed an engineering faculty.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Now coming to the next question. The next question is, discuss the Anagalist-Orientalist controversy. How was it resolved? Now this you will get on page 56,
Page 56.
right? Who will tell me this answer? Who will tell me this answer? Nobody is there to tell this answer to me.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, the Anglistic and Orientalist controversy was put to an end in 1835 when Lord Macaulay Minute stated that the limited government resources were to
No, no, no,
devoted
no,
to
no, no.
teach
Kumar,
only.
you didn't get the question, beta. The question is discuss the controversy of the Anagalist and the Orientalist. And how was it resolved? Resolved वाले part में आप लिखोगे, it was resolved by the Macaulay's Minute. ठीक है? पर उससे पहले controversy क्या थी वो तो बताएंगे बच्चे.
Ma'am, means ma'am, what is the work of ma'am Anglistic and Orientalist in
भाई एनालिस्ट
education
और
system?
ओनलिस्ट का क्या आर्ग्यूमेंट्स थे? आप कहते हो कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अच्छी हैं,
Okay, ma'am.
दक्ष कहता है ऑफलाइन क्लासेस अच्छी
Yes,
हैं.
ma'am.
तो आप दोनों के बीच में जो भी
Yes, ma'am.
आर्ग्यूमेंट होगा, ठीक है, उसको हम कैसे बताएंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ठीक वो ये कह रहा है कि ओरिएंटलिस्ट और एनालिस्ट में जो कंट्रोवर्सी थी वो क्या थी? ठीक है, व्हाट वाज दैट कंट्रोवर्सी?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I
the
tell?
okay, ma'am.
यस सिद्धि, टेल बेटा.
Ma'am, the Orientalists wanted to promote Indian education through the medium of classical languages such as Sanskrit, Arabic, and Persian, whereas the Anglists, on the other hand, supported the promotion of Western learning through the medium of English language.
Very good, perfect answer. And how the controversy came to an end?
The controversy was put to an end in 1835 when Lord Macaulay Minute stated that the limited government resources were to be devoted to teach Western sciences and literature through the medium of English alone.
That's it. This is what the answer is. Okay, Kumar? Got it? Got it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Fine. Do I need to repeat the answer again?
Ma'am, can you repeat the ma'am first part, ma'am, that Orientalist and Anglistic?
Okay. See, it is on page 56, right hand side. The
Yes, ma'am.
third, the second dotted line that we have. The
Yes, ma'am.
Orientalist, you will begin your answer with the Anagalist and Anagalist Oriental controversy was that the Orientalists wanted to promote Indian education through the medium of classical languages such as Sanskrit, Arabic, and Persian, whereas the Anagalists supported the promotion of Western learning through the medium of English language. Right? The Anagalist Orientalist controversy was put to an end in 1835 when Lord Macaulay's Minute stated that the limited government resources were to be devoted to teach Western sciences and literature through the medium of English alone.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's it. Now coming to the next question. What in your view were the merits and demerits of introducing Western education in India? Were there any advantages or disadvantages of introducing Western education in India? That you have to answer. Hanji. Who will tell me this answer? Ilma, good morning. Ilma?
मॉर्निंग मैम।
कैमरा ऑन करो 2 मिनट के लिए, देखें आपको जरा, इतने महीनों बाद आई हो आप हमारी क्लास में। भाई ऑन करो कैमरा, फिर हम पहचानेंगे कैसे जब आप स्कूल में मिलोगी हमको, है इल्मा?
यस मैम, प्लीज वेट।
ओके, वेटिंग। दो क्लासेस दूसरी चल रही है, उठा दो, कल थक गया बेटा। I hope others are finding the answer. Okay, where Ilma has gone very thin now, huh? Ilma, क्या अम्मी बहुत काम कराती है तुमसे, क्यों?
नहीं मैम।
फिर अब खाती नहीं हो क्या, डाइट कॉन्शियस हो?
नो मैम।
ओके, जस्ट जोकिंग, गुड। चलो रेगुलर रहो बेटा थोड़ा क्लासेस में। अब आपको ऑनलाइन एग्जाम तो होंगे नहीं, ऑफलाइन ही एग्जाम्स होने हैं आप लोगों के, है ना?
ओके
ट्राई
मैम।
टू बी लिटिल रेगुलर, ओके?
ओके मैम।
वो अलग बात है कि 7th के बाद सीधे हम 9th में मिलेंगे, है ना? है कि नहीं?
यस मैम।
चलिए, yes, who will tell this answer to me? Roma, Daksh, Kushagra, both the Kushagra are there, Shoaib, Parth, Siddhant, आप बताएंगे बेटा ये आंसर? Okay, Ilma, tell me one thing, after how long you are attending the class?
Ma'am, yesterday I was there.
But I was not there, no, my class was not there yesterday, my dear. My class, when are you, after how many days you are attending? For I think after quite a long time.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
Ma'am, before UTs I was not taking the.
Okay, so we are on history. We have completed chapter 8. We are doing question answers. 9 we have already
Okay,
started.
ma'am.
Civics, 5
Okay.
chapters we have completed. I don't know about geography,
Okay.
but please make sure that you attend the classes. It is important for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes,
Ma'am, in
Prashant,
history,
the
7
exams
chapter
will
is
be on.
coming.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in history, 7 chapter is coming.
Of course. Chapter 7 we have done long time back.
Okay, ma'am.
Long time back it was done. Okay. Hanji. What in your views were the merits and demerits of introducing Western education in India? Were there any advantages or disadvantages? बेटा इसका आंसर आपको मिलेगा कहाँ पे? पेज 58 पे। रेहान बेटा एक बार अपना कैमरा ऑन करिए तो। रेहान अली, आर यू देयर? हाँ जी, आप न्यू एडमिशन है ना रेहान अली?
यस मैम।
ओके, थोड़ा ठीक से दिखाओ अपनी फेस, अब मेरे को देखने दो आपका फेस सही से। योर फेस इज नॉट क्लियर ऑन द स्क्रीन।
नहीं अंदर कर लीजिए।
हाँ बेटा पीछे से बहुत ग्लेयर हो रहा
कैमरा गया था।
है। अच्छा, दक्ष ने इतनी बढ़िया डीपी अपने फोटो लगा रखी है, ऐसे लग रहा है दक्ष लाइव बैठे हुए हैं स्माइलिंग करते हुए, हैं दक्ष?
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ओके, दैट्स गुड।
मैम यही मिली।
हम्म,
मैम यही वाली पिक मिली थी तो मैंने लगा दी।
नहीं चलिए, सही है, सही है, अच्छी बात है। बेटा और कौन लेट आया है क्लास में, प्लीज हमें बता दो, अदरवाइज आप लोग की एब्सेंट मार्क हो जाएगी, है ना। हाँ, कुशाग्र सिंह गौतम हमने मार्क कर दिया आपको प्रेजेंट। चलिए ठीक है। हाँ जी, आंसर बेटा।
Ma'am, the advantages and disadvantages of
हाँ,
introducing Western education in India. Ma'am, like the traditional system of Indian learning gradually, ma'am, the disadvantages. The traditional system of Indian learning gradually declined
बेटा
after 1844 when it.
पार्थ, पहले एडवांटेजेस फिर डिसएडवांटेजेस, ठीक है।
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute. One minute. Just to don't know what will be the answer ma'am, because ma'am,
हाँ जी पार्थ।
yes
पार्थ,
ma'am,
कैन यू रिपीट अगेन।
yes ma'am.
हम्म,
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, in this question, I was confused at what to come. Actually,
you tell the disadvantages, fine, you were telling disadvantages, you tell disadvantages only, no issues।
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in disadvantages, as the traditional system of Indian learning gradually declined after 1844, when it was
हम्म,
declared that the applicant for government employment should possess knowledge of English. And the second point, education of women was highly neglected.
हम्म,
Mainly no universities for girls had been set up till 1916. In fact, only a handful of women could read and write, and there was no sort of scientific or technological education for the Indians under British rule. And
वेरी गुड।
the British followed the downward filtration theory, where they believed that educating a few Indians would enable to educate the masses. These four
ठीक है,
points we can write in
ठीक है।
disadvantages.
एडवांटेज यू कैन गिव दैट advantages you can give that under the in the under the modern education, you know, यस कुशाग्र बेटा, ऑफलाइन एग्जाम्स होंगे, ऑनलाइन नहीं होंगे एज ऑफ नाउ, ठीक है। बाद में कुछ चेंजेस होते हैं तो हम नहीं जानते, बट अभी तो फिलहाल तो यही है कि ऑफलाइन ही होंगे, है ना?
मैम हमारे भी मैम मतलब आर्ट्स ऑल्सो।
हाँ हाँ, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। तो आप पढ़ाई उस हिसाब से करो कि आपको ऑफलाइन एग्जाम्स देने हैं, ठीक है?
मैम मतलब उधर आके।
ऑफ कोर्स, ऑफलाइन का मतलब यही होता है आके है ना?
मैम मतलब हमें फाइनल एग्जाम्स में स्कूल आना पड़ेगा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल हो सकता है आना पड़े।
मैम दिस इज रॉन्ग।
क्यों?
मैम बिकॉज मैम समथिंग हैपेंड एंड मैम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मैम कौन लेगा लाइक दैट।
वो बात की बात है, बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे उसको। चलो आंसर पे आ जाओ। बेटा आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम इसको कि the merits of introducing Western education in India was that many primary and secondary schools, colleges, universities came into existence under the British. Then you can also write that scientific and modern education was imparted, right?
And from
Disadvantages,
where we have to write?
ये तो हम ऐसे वर्बली बता रहे हैं बेटा आपको। बुक से हमने देख लिया क्या चीज हम कह सकते हैं। जैसे आपका वुड्स डिस्पैच में प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी स्कूल के बारे में लिखा हुआ है ना, तो आप इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हो कि द मेरिट ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग द मेरिट्स ऑफ इंट्रोड्यूसिंग modern western education in India was that the here it is written, wait I'll tell you. That Western sciences and literature was taught, right? Was taught. Then you can also write that the primary schools, primary and secondary schools, more and more of primary and secondary schools came into being. Main focus was, main emphasis was given to elementary education under the modern education, Western education in India. These are all merits, right? Then demerits you can write that the traditional system of Indian learning declined. Page 58 I am reading from. The traditional system of Indian learning declined. Then education of women was highly neglected. British followed the downward filtration theory, where they believed that educating a few Indians would enable them to educate the masses. There was no sort of scientific or technological knowledge education for the Indians under British rule. All these points you can write under the demerits or the disadvantages. हो गया?
मैम
हाँ जी बेटा बोलो।
मैम there is 5 point मैम 2 points of advantage and 3 point of disadvantage.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
Ma'am, we can write 2 of advantage, 2 of disadvantages. When
नहीं, why to,
we can
नहीं,
left.
whatever disadvantages I have given you, all those you write. ठीक है? You should have ample of points to write, no? जरूरी थोड़ी है कि 2 ही लिखेंगे आप केवल या लर्न करेंगे। 4-5 लर्न कर लो, क्या दिक्कत है? कोई 2 लिख देना एग्जाम में अगर आता है तो, है ना? एडवांटेज में बेटा आप ये भी लिख सकते हो कि Calcutta Madrasa, Sanskrit College or Fort William College, all these colleges came into existence during the British rule under the Western education only, है ना?
Ma'am, can we write in advantages that if there will be ma'am education, ma'am, the education start. So ma'am, we can, ma'am, the people who are studying on that time, ma'am, they will learn the new languages like ma'am Arabian and Persian,
हाँ, बट अरेबिक तो जो
like
है
that.
खत्म कर दी गई थी ना, पर्शियन लैंग्वेज को हटा दिया गया था, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
अनुष्का, आप आ गए हो क्लास में बेटा? अनुष्का, आर यू देयर इन द क्लास? अनुष्का गुप्ता? चलिए, हाँ जी. I hope that these points are clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Now coming to the next question. Wood's Dispatch is a landmark in the history of English education in India. Do you know why? Why Wood's Dispatch is a landmark? Anybody in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बताइए.
I'm just a minute.
Okay.
Ma'am, in 1854, Charles Wood prepared a dispatch on an educational system of India. This document was the first comprehensive plan for the spread of education in India and was considered the Magna Carta of English education in India. The main recommendation of the dispatch were these. The government of India was asked to assume responsibility for education of the masses, thus repudiating the downward filtration theory, at least on paper. Graded schools were to be established
Established
on
in the
established
hierarchy.
on higher.
In the hierarchy as universities, colleges, high schools, middle schools, and primary schools.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
English was recommended as the medium of instruction for higher studies and Indian languages for vernacular at the school level. Emphasis was given on female and
Vocational.
vocational education and on teachers training. Education imparted in government institutions was to be secular. A system of grant in aid was recommended for the institutions that satisfied certain conditions to encourage private enterprise. Universities were to be set up in Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras.
ठीक है, इसको हम ऐसे कंपाइल कर सकते हैं इस आंसर को कि the question is asking you, Wood's Dispatch is a landmark in the history of English education in India. Do you know why? Wood's Dispatch is a landmark in the history of English education in India because आप लिखोगे